Hello, English 102 online students. Welcome to week 4 of our course. This is Mrs. Rojas, your instructor. So, as always, we'll start each of our weeks by going to this course information link over here. We'll download our course calendar and we'll take a look at the assignments that are coming up for this week. Okay, so when we scroll down, we see that this past week you were working on the draft of your curiosity exploration essay. I'm definitely excited to read those. I always see new topics, unique topics, different perspectives on all your different interests, all the different possibilities that you have for your research projects at the end of the semester. So it's just a great place to start and to get to know all of you a little bit better. So moving into this week, you see we have 2 assignments, and those are assignments 2.4 and 2.5. So we'll be hanging out in Module 2 for another week. And this week is all about peer review and feedback. So this is the part of the writing process where you've already come up with a draft, you've brainstormed your ideas by looking at the assignment guidelines, you've put together what you think is your best work. And this week, you're going to get other people to give you more ideas to make it even better. So you'll have a peer from the class who is going to be reading your essay during this week. You're also going to get feedback from me. Okay, so to see how all this is going to work, we'll go back over to Blackboard, into My Classroom, and into our course modules area. And we'll get into Module 2. Okay, and as always, don't forget you can check due dates for assignments at the top of each module folder. So you see that assignments 2.1, 2, and 3 were due Sunday, September 5th. This week, today, in fact, is the Curiosity Exploration Draft. And then assignments 2.4 and 2.5 are due next Sunday. Some students did ask about assignments 2.4 and 2.5. They thought that they were due this week as well. But always be sure to check the course calendar and the due dates in each of the modules, and that'll always tell you when an assignment is due. And of course, if you have any doubts, just send me an email and I'll be glad to confirm it with you. Okay, so going on down to assignments 2.4 and 2.5. So 2.4 is a journal entry assignment, and you're going to be watching a short video about the importance of peer review in the classroom. This video is all about peer review in a physical classroom, in a face-to-face kind of situation. Of course, that's not our situation, and that's not even due to the pandemic. This class would have been taught online no matter what. There are always a certain number of English 101 and 102 classes that are offered online, so you're the lucky ones to be having this experience. So this video, in any case, whether it's in person or online, will give you a little bit of an idea of the benefits of peer review, what you can gain from it, not only as a student, as a writer yourself, but as a reader, ideas that you can give to other people, what other people's role is in the process when they read your work. And even when I'm reading your essay drafts, in the drafting stage, I really try not to approach it like the professor with a red pen marking up your whole draft, telling you all your mistakes or something. That's not my goal. My goal is to be a reader, just like any of your classmates would be, and to give you ideas and ask you questions that are going to make you think about how to make your piece of writing the best that it can be. So you'll watch the video, and then you'll just click on this 2.4 link right here, and there are a series of questions there that I'll have you answer and submit a journal entry for. You'll just click on Create Journal Entry. You can copy and paste those questions into your entry if you like, or you can just type the answers directly, and once you click on Journal Entry. And so once you do that, you can either type it directly in the text box, or you can upload a document from your computer too. Okay, so going back to, we're going to backtrack here a little bit and go back to Module 2. And you'll see the next assignment that's here is the Curiosity Essay Peer Review. So after tomorrow night, Monday night, actually by Tuesday morning, I'm going to be matching you up with another student in the class. So this kind of gives us a little bit of wiggle room in case there are a few students who submit their work late. And there is a late penalty for that. But in any case, I want to give at least the little bit of space for those extra students who might be submitting late to do that. And once I've got everybody's drafts, no later than Monday, 11:59, that would be the latest that I could wait, then Tuesday morning, I'll go ahead and make the matchups. So you'll see when you click on this link, it's actually a link to groups that are set up with wiki pages in Blackboard. So you see we have links set up for the curiosity exploration essay and later on in the semester for the problem solution research report. That's coming much later. But once groups are set up, you'll see that there are going to be enrolled members in these groups. They're not there yet because I haven't arranged everybody into groups yet. And tomorrow, or no, actually Tuesday morning, I will be sending you another set of instructions about how to access your group, how to see each other's work there, what you need to do as part of your group. So there will be more instructions coming for assignment 2.5 because I want to make sure I collect everybody's drafts first. But just to give you a little overview, so as it tells us here, 24 hours after the due date, that would be no later than Monday, 11:59. It'll be Tuesday morning by the time I get everybody collected there. I'll assign you a partner using the groups feature in Blackboard. So I'll let you know when the groups are created, and then you'll upload a copy of your essay for your peer review partner in that group space. And like I said, I will give you further instructions at that time. Okay, and once you get to that group space and you see your partner's essay there, you're going to use this attached form to give them feedback on their writing. You'll just follow the instructions on that peer review sheet, remembering what you learned in the video that's above here in 2.4, and then you'll submit that to your partner in the same group space so that they can see those comments, and that'll be no later than next Sunday, September 19th by 11:59. So you can go ahead and start working on assignment 2.4, and then in a couple of days, you'll have your more specific instructions for assignment 2.5. So by the end of this week, as we move into September 19th, you're going to have feedback from me and from your classmate, and you'll be able to use that then to go on and finish the final draft of your essay, or the final version of your essay, which you see here in the Turnitin link at the bottom. Okay, so I think that's everything you need to know at this point. Like I said, you'll get some more detailed instructions a little bit later in a couple of days, and we'll just move on from there. And also, if you want to earn an extra point for extra credit on your lowest essay grade this semester, as it tells you in the weekly instructions and weekly announcements in Blackboard, here is the code that you need to put in that Google form. It's CuriosityFall21. Okay, so if you have questions, concerns, anything that you're wondering about in English 102, please feel free to let me know, or even drop a message into the forums where you can ask questions. So as a reminder, you can go to either the Course Cafe or the Course Concerns and Feedback section here, and you can always leave a message. The second forum, you have the option to make your message anonymous before you post it. Okay, so I wish you a great week. I hope you have fun reading your partner's essay. I know I'll have fun reading yours, and we'll come back together in a couple of days. Bye-bye.